Thanks for tuning in. Here with me is Natural News Junior Correspondent Kid Fingers. Story number 1. Scientists have discovered a gut bacteria capable of breaking down the forever plastics in your body. Will this affect implants everywhere, celebrities wonder? What was that? Speak up now.
Just please don't lose that butt.
Whose kid is this? Next in Adoptions of the Herbal Variety, your native summer transplant of the day. The Philonodiflora grows near water. Pick it up on a work break. It looks like this. You can peel Frogfruit up node by node when you lift by the stolen cup. And it'll live in this, but it'll also live in your cutest, most difficult pots. Yes, and keep your gaming fingers off my news desk.